Hey guys, Mega Bob here, and this is how to build a Eurofighter Typhoon. So first what you want to do is start off by placing one block of coal, then out one and go all the way back 16. Next what you want to do is go onto the top of that, skip in 2 and build out 16 again with 2 left on the edge. Now what we're going to do is go out to the back wing, go in 1 and then 1, 2 and then 3. You can see it better there in the picture. Build out by 5 then. This is going to be the start of the wing. Then what you want to do is build in, go in 1, 2, 2 and then 2, moving in 1 each time and then 1 at the top. This is the wing. Do it on the other side, as you can see there. Now our plane's starting to look quite good. So we're going to add details. At the top, we're going to add 1 and then 2 slabs. This is going to be that small wing structure they have on the plane. For the windows, what you want to do is place stairs and then 3 glass and then stair. And then on the top of the window you want to get some carpet and put it on top of that. It makes it look like it's not just a roof. Do some sort of pattern. I like this pattern on the wing. It doesn't matter what pattern. It makes your plane look well. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment, rate, subscribe.